Okay, you're going to learn the Ichimoku Cloud, and you would have heard a lot about it. And it's not as complicated as it looks to you on the charts. And number two, it's a very versatile indicator, especially when it combines with other indicators. It can give you real solid stocks. You cannot imagine that when it combines with other indicators, what you can get. It can unearth treasures. So I'll come to that combinations a little later. It comes a little later. I want to explain to you what Ichimoku is, and this is the first part. Okay, this will be a three-part or maximum four-part video series. Okay, so I have taken data for 52 periods, 1 to 52. The period can be anything: 1 minute, 1 day, 1 month, 15 minutes, whatever, 1 week. So this is just periods, right? There are 52 periods. I have taken the data. Now I have segregated the data into three parts. One is 9 period. The other thing is up to 26 period. And the third is the whole data you have, 52 periods, right? So there are 5 elements in Ichimoku. One is the conversion line. That is the 9 period high and the 9 period low divided by 2. Okay, and then there's a baseline where it's 26 period high plus the 26 period low divided by 2. It's making averages. Okay, and the span A is the conversion line plus these two lines, this plus this line divided by 2, and the span B is 52 period high and the 52 period low plus divided by 2, and the lagging span is the latest close, okay, which is plotted 26 periods in the past. Span A and span B are plotted 26 periods in the future. I'll come to that later. You get the concept first. Okay, so lagging span, this is the close 1953, and I'm assuming this to be the latest period. So lagging span is 1953. Okay, the calculation for the lagging span, not the entire line, it will be differently calculated for different periods. So let's see this 9 day period first. The low is 1901, the high is 2038. I'll be sharing this Excel sheet with you. Okay, so in the 26-day period, again this 1901 is not day. I'm sorry, forget the day. In the 26 period data, 1901 is the low, and 2073 is the high. I'll share the sheet with you. Okay, and in the 52 period low, in the 52 period data, 2073 is the high. Okay, and 1820 is the low, right? Now let's calculate. So the Ichimoku value for the current close, which is 1953, okay, it is it's 9 period high plus 9 period low divided by 2. That's 1901 plus 2038 divided by 2, you get 1969. Baseline is 26 period high plus 26 period low divided by 2, so 2073 plus 1901, which is also the 26 period low, divided by 2, you get 1987. 2073 plus 91. Now, the span A is 1969 plus 1987 divided by 2, 1978. Okay, and for the span B, it's 1820 is the low, 2073 is the high. So 2073 plus 1820, 3893 divided by 2, 1946. This is for this value of Ichimoku is for the latest thing. I'm just making you understand what the concept is all about. Now we'll come to interpretation in tomorrow's video. So I'll stop for now. I share this Excel sheet with you, and thanks for viewing, and bye.